Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads for keyword research. Whether you are looking to optimize your SEO strategy or spy on your competitors' keywords, Google Keyword Planner can be a goldmine of insights. And guess what? It's totally free. Let's dive in. The first step is getting access to Google Keyword Planner. It's free, but you will need a Google Ads account. If you don't have an account, here's a quick guide to set it up. First of all, head over to ads.google.com and click Start Now. Then log into your Google account and enter your website's name. On the next few screens, keep pressing skip. Once you see a pop-up, click Leave Campaign Creation. Enter your billing details and payment information. Don't worry. This is just for verification. You won't be charged unless you run ads, and any temporary hold will be refunded. Once you have completed these steps, search for Google Keyword Planner or click the link in your dashboard to start exploring. Now that you have got access, let's find some keywords. In Keyword Planner, you have two main options. Discover new keywords. Use this to generate fresh keyword ideas. Get search volume and forecasts. Use this for search metrics of specific keywords you already have. Now, let's talk about how to discover new keywords. Start with keywords. Enter up to 10 seed words related to your business. 2. Start with a website. Enter a URL to get keyword suggestions based on that site. For example, entering SEO as a seed keyword might give you thousands of related ideas. What's unique about Keyword Planner is that it suggests keywords that don't necessarily contain your exact seed term. Cool, right? Refine and choose the best keywords ideas. Finding the right keywords is all about relevance and potential. Here's how to narrow down your options. First, refine by attributes. Use filters like brands, color, or style to include or exclude specific keywords. Second, exclude irrelevant terms. Use the does not contain filter to weed out distractions. For pro tip, look for long tail keywords. These are less competitive and often easier to rank for short ideas by average monthly searches from low to high to uncover these gems. Now analyze keyword metrics. To choose the best keywords, consider these factors. First of all, traffic potential. Check the traffic potential of top ranking pages for your target keywords using tools like Ahrefs, RFs, or similar. Then trends. Use the year over year or 3-month change metrics in Keyword Planner to find trending or seasonal keywords. And third, commercial value. Keywords with a high top of page bid often indicate strong commercial intent. If advertised if advertisers are paying big bucks, it's worth exploring those keywords for organic ranking too. For example, the keyword chose ed. For example, the keyword Zo's e-bike has a high bid value because the products associated with it are expensive. That makes it a lucrative keyword to target. And final tip, Google Keyword Planner is an excellent starting point for keyword research, but combining it with tools like RFs or a free keyword difficulty checker can help refine your strategy further. Remember, the key to effective keyword research is consistency. Regularly revisit your keywords to adapt to market trends and user behavior. That's it for today's guide on using Google Ads for keyword research. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO tips, and leave a comment with your questions below. Thanks for watching.